Hi everyone, welcome to On the Other Hand. I'm Ariane Zurcher and we are on lesson 5. Panel number 2, shape D. So go ahead and gather your second panel and whatever materials you need. Let's stitch shape D together. I'm using silken colors. This is Golden Pines, and it comes in 12 strands, but I took 4 of the strands away, so I'm working with 8 strands. And I'm going to do a cluster of drizzle stitches right here. I'm going to do them fairly short, so between 8 and 10 cast-ons each. With my chalk pencil, I'm just going to draw a couple of sort of vine-like things, just some sort of random. And I'm going to do these in the Palestrina knot, sort of just spreading out over here, an outcropping. And then I'm using my mermaid dances and a 24 chenille. And I'm just going to follow these chalk lines. So I'm using my mermaid dances and my number 3 Milners, and I'm just doing a couple of drizzle stitches in and among this cluster of silken color drizzles. I'm doing between a 10 and 12 wrap drizzle here, and here are my Palestrina knot vines. Using my silk and pearl, the lavenders, this one, I did a little cluster of bouillon loops between 12 and 20 wraps each, just to the right and at the top here, the right of the drizzle stitch. I'm going to add a couple of little somethings with my Sophie Strawberry Silk and Pearl, and I think it'll just be a couple of little, I think I'll do bouillon drizzle here. So it's 20 wraps. I think I'll just do 3 of these together. It's 18. And now I'm just going to do a couple of French knots right at the base here, and then drifting off into the green background. Using the lavender silk and pearl, I'm just doing a couple of random bouillon loops right here, way over to the left. I'm just going to do 3, I think, over here. I'm going to do one more right in here. So it's just a little cluster. I'm going to do a couple of little 3-wrap French knots. Same thread, same needle. Okay, that's it. I'm using my Silken Colors Golden Pines, and I'm doing 4-ply on a 24 chenille, and I'm just going to do a couple of fly stitches at the bottom here. So I changed it up and I'm doing a closed fly. Okay. I think I'll do a couple of French knots here. I'm doing a 3-wrap. Okay, so that's that. We've just finished shape D, and we're going to move on to our second shape of our second panel. Shape E will be the next lesson. Don't forget to hit that like button, click on the subscribe button if you haven't already, and tell me how you're doing. Until next time, here's to stitching together.